Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Mac display turning off too quickly when inactive. So if your Mac screen keeps turning off after just a minute or even though you are still reading something or watching a video, the display sleep time may be set to a shorter duration than you prefer. This behavior is designed to save battery life, but it can also become frustrating if the screen goes dark too often. So increasing the display sleep time usually solve the problem, and you can even set different times for battery power and when your Mac is plugged in. So if you would like to make this change, here's what you need to do. First, click on the Apple menu and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Lock Screen. Now under Turn Display Off on Battery when inactive, click on the drop down menu right to it and then choose a longer time. If your Mac also turn the display off too quickly while it's charging, then click on the drop down menu right to turn display off on power adapter and then choose the option that you prefer. You also have an option to never in both these settings as you can see here. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.